Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can log in into your Perpay account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First of all you need to do is open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.app.perpay.com/login. So once you do this, you will end up in the login website of Perpay. So now to get logged in into your account, all you need to do is simply enter your email address or your phone number and type in your password of your account. After both these credentials are completely filled, you can simply tap on the I am not a robot box, and after you are done doing this, simply press on the login option. So once all this is done, you will get logged in into your Perpay account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.